Hi everyone, today we're going to do reading on page 118, Module 8 in your full blast textbook. Installation Art. Think of the last time you visited an art gallery. Cuba fikir kali terakhir anda melawat galeri seni. Did any of the following cross your mind? Pernahkah anda berfikir sebegini? If only art weren't so boring. Kalaulah seni tidak sangat membosankan. I wish I hadn't come here. Menyesal saya datang sini. Paintings. If only artists would create something more exciting. Lukisan. Kalaulah artis boleh buat sesuatu yang lebih menarik. Well, times are changing. Masa telah berubah. A growing number of artists have chosen to challenge the traditional concept of art. They believe that artists should be permitted to express their creativity in any way they please, and they should have the opportunity to exhibit their works in all environments. Semakin banyak artis sekarang memilih untuk mencabar konsep seni tradisional. Mereka percaya artis harus dibenarkan menunjukkan kekreatifan mereka di mana-mana sahaja. This desire for artistic freedom gave rise to a form of art called installation art, which first became popular in the late 1960s. Keinginan untuk kebebasan berseni ini telah melahirkan satu jenis seni bernama installation art yang menjadi popular pada lewat 1960-an. The primary goal of installation art is to change the viewer's perception of space by transforming the ordinary into something quite extraordinary. Matlamat utama installation art ini ialah untuk mengubah persepsi ruang penonton dengan mengubah sesuatu yang biasa menjadi luar biasa. Installation artists use a wide range of materials to create their works, from sticks and foams to chairs and cars. Installation art menggunakan pelbagai jenis bahan untuk membuat seni mereka, dari kayu, bui, kereta, dan kerusi. But they also reject the traditional idea that art is only visual, and people who experience their artworks often have to use a variety of senses like hearing, touch, and smell. Tetapi mereka juga menolak idea tradisional di mana seni hanya visual dan orang yang melalui hasil seni mereka selalunya perlu menggunakan pelbagai deria seperti pendengaran, sentuhan, dan bau. In 2003, in the main hall of the Tate Modern in London, artist Oliver Eliasson installed a glowing sun and an enormous mirror on the ceiling. Pada tahun 2003, Dewan Utama Tate Modern di London, seorang artis bernama Oliver Eliasson memasang sebuah matahari bersinar dan sebuah cermin yang besar pada siling. The room was also filled with a mist made of sugar and water. Dewan itu dipenuhi dengan kabus yang diperbuat dari gula dan air. The installation was called the Weather Project, and if you had visited the Tate Modern at the time, you would have seen many visitors lying on the floor and looking up at their reflections on the ceiling. Installation ini dipanggil The Weather Project, dan jika anda melawat Tate Modern pada waktu itu, anda akan nampak ramai pelawat berbaring di lantai dan melihat bayangan mereka di cermin pada siling. Sometimes, artists are asked to stage their installations in public areas. These are known as public art. Kadang-kadang, ada artis yang diminta untuk mempamerkan hasil seni mereka di tempat awam. Ini dikenali sebagai public art. The Traffic Light Tree, 1998, by French sculptor Pierre Vivant, is a famous example. Satu contoh yang terkenal ialah The Traffic Light Tree yang dihasilkan oleh pengukir French bernama Pierre Vivant. The unusual tree-like structure stands 8 meters tall and features 75 sets of blinking traffic lights. Struktur pelik yang macam pokok ini ialah 8 meter tinggi dan mempunyai 75 set lampu isyarat yang berkelip-kelip. The tree is situated in Canary Wharf, one of London's main financial centres, and its flashing lights are intended to represent the energy and rhythms of the surrounding area. Pokok ini terletak di Canary Wharf, satu pusat kewangan di London, dan lampu berkelipnya melambangkan irama dan tenaga kawasan sekitarnya. Installation artists often use their works of art to convey a message. Artist installation selalu guna karya seni mereka untuk menyampaikan satu message. In 2009, Brazilian artist Nelly Azevedo created an installation called Melting Man. Pada tahun 2009, artis Brazil Nelly Azevedo menghasilkan satu installation bernama Melting Man. The aim of the installation was to draw attention to the destructive impact of global warming on our environment. Matlamat installation ini ialah untuk menarik perhatian orang ramai tentang kemusnahan alam semula jadi yang disebabkan oleh pemanasan global. Melting Man consisted of 1,000 little men made of ice, which Azevedo placed sitting on the steps on a Berlin concert hall, only to be turned into a puddle a while later. Their rapid disappearance serving as a warning to humanity. Melting Man terdiri daripada 1,000 orang yang diperbuat dari ais, di mana Azevedo kasih duduk di tangga Dewan Konsert Berlin, dan tidak lama kemudian, semua patung ais itu cair. Pencairan yang cepat itu memberi satu amaran kepada manusia. The Melting Man installation has since been exhibited in a number of cities, including Paris, Florence, Havana, and Sao Paulo. Installation Melting Man ini telah dipamerkan di bandar-bandar tersebut. Since 2006, anonymous artists in Melbourne, Australia, have been delighting the locals with their imaginative Crate Man installations. Sejak 2006, artis-artis tanpa nama di Melbourne, Australia telah menghiburkan orang tempatan dengan Crate Man installation mereka yang kreatif. As the name implies, crate men are figures made entirely from brightly colored milk crates. Seperti namanya, crate men adalah bentuk-bentuk macam orang yang diperbuat daripada kotak simpanan susu yang berwarna-warni. These comical creations have appeared at various locations across the city. One was found fishing beside a creek, another was discovered climbing a fence, and one particularly impressive installation featured two crate men climbing a skyscraper. Ciptaan yang melucukan ini telah muncul di banyak kawasan di seluruh bandar. Satu dijumpa sedang memancing di anak sungai, satu dijumpa sedang memanjat pagar, dan satu installation yang hebat melibatkan dua crate men sedang memanjat bangunan yang tinggi. Like it or hate it, installation art is here to stay and will no doubt continue to surprise and entertain us for years to come. Sama ada anda suka atau tidak, installation art akan sentiasa di sini dan akan terus mengejutkan dan menghiburkan anda di masa akan datang. Now let's look at the questions. Exercise C. Read again and answer the questions. Choose A, B, C, or D. 1. What is the main purpose of installation art? Apakah tujuan utama installation art? 2. What did visitors to the weather project at the Tate Modern do? Apakah pelawat ke weather project buat di Tate Modern? 3. Why did Pierre Vivant create the traffic light tree? Kenapa Pierre Vivant menghasilkan the traffic light tree? 4. What was the purpose of Azevedo's melting man? Apakah tujuan melting man Azevedo? 5. Which statement isn't true about crate man? Kenyataan manakah yang tidak benar tentang crate man? Exercise D. Find words or phrases in the text and match them with the definitions below. Cari perkataan atau frasa dalam teks dan padankan ia dengan definisi di bawah. So for example, number 1, idea. The answer is in paragraph 1, concept. Now let's go through all the other definitions and I will give you the first letter as a clue for the answer. Number 2, allowed. Paragraph 1, dibenarkan. Starting letter P. 3. Put in a public place for people to look at. Paragraph 1, diletakkan di tempat awam untuk orang lihat. Starting letter E. 4. Strong wish. Paragraph 2. Harapan yang kuat. Starting letter D. 5. Change the form of something. Paragraph 2. Ubah bentuk sesuatu. Starting letter T. 6. An image in a mirror or on a shiny surface. Paragraph 3. Image dalam satu cermin atau permukaan yang licin. Starting letter R. 7. Located. Paragraph 4. Terletak. Starting letter S. 8. Make people notice. Paragraph 5. Buat orang perasan. The answer is in 3 words. Starting letter D, A, and T. 9. A powerful effect. Paragraph 5. Kesan yang kuat. Starting letter I. 10. People in general. Paragraph 5. Orang secara umumnya. Starting letter H. Exercise E. Discuss. Bincangkan. Which of the installations mentioned in the text appeals to you the most and why? Installation mana satukah yang anda minat dan sebabnya? Would you like to visit some art installations? Why or why not? Adakah anda mahu melawat dan lihat installation art? Kenapa ya? Kenapa tidak? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.